Please do subscribe to our Nehra Classes YouTube channel and also turn on the bell notifications to receive the updates of our videos directly in your device. Hello friends, I Vikas Nehra welcome you all to our Nehra Classes YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn how can we upgrade from RHEL7 to RHEL8 with data. For that, we need the active subscription from Redhat, and it is always recommended that you take the complete backup of the machine before upgrading. So first of all, what we will do, we will patch our machine. So we will execute the yum update command, and you can only upgrade your machine if you have at least RHEL 7.6 release. So I already have the subscription and I have already patched my machine. Now after that, if your machine is not having the subscription, you can attach the subscription by running the subscription -manager attach command, attach -auto. I have already attached the subscription, and you can verify the same with the help of subscription -manager list command, list -installed. I have already subscribed to the Redhat subscription. Now in the next step, we can execute subscription manager release command, subscription manager release, and here we can mention --set 7.9. It will take some time. Now the release has been set to 7.9, and after that we can log the version. So for that we can execute yum version log command, yum version log clear. After that we can again execute yum version log yes. Now in the next step we can again execute yum update command, no packages are marked for the update. We are good to proceed further, and we can reboot the machine. So here we can mention init 6. Once our machine is up, and after that we can execute subscription manager command to enable RHEL7 server extra repository. So let me quickly log in the machine again. Yes, our machine is up now and we have successfully logged in. Now here we will again execute subscription manager repos --enable RHEL 7 -server -extras -rpms. So this command will enable the RHEL7 extra RPM repository in our machine, and with the help of this we will install the Leapp that is required to upgrade the system. This process can take some time, so you can wait. Now in the next step we will install the Leapp in our machine. This package is required to upgrade the system from RHEL7 to RHEL8. So we will execute yum install Leapp command, and it will install the Leapp packages in our machine. It will hardly take 20 to 30 seconds. Once all the packages are installed, then we can go to the etc Leapp directory, and there we will go to the files directory, and there we will download one zip file. So we will execute the wget command there, wget https colon double forward slash access dot redhat dot com slash sites defaults default, and then we will mention files, then again slash attachments slash leapp hyphen data 3 dot tar dot gz. So it will download the file in our machine. Now we will execute the command leapp upgrade, and there it will take some time in the upgradation process, so we will have to wait. This process can take up to 45 minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection as well as the speed of your machine, means the components that are attached in your machine. So I'll keep pausing the video and I will keep showing you the process, otherwise this video will become very long. So I'm going to pause this and I will keep showing you. The process has been completed and it took about 50 minutes in my case. And now in the next step we are going to reboot our machine, and after that we will verify the details. So you can only upgrade from RHEL7 to RHEL8 if you have the valid active subscription from Redhat, and you must have at least RHEL 7.6 release in your machine. Only then you can upgrade. So if you have the previous versions like 7.1 or 7.2, you first update your machine and you can after that upgrade it if you have the release 7.6 or higher. So let me again log in my machine. Let me refresh the session. Yes, and after that I will show you. Let me change the SE Linux mode, set enforce 1. Let me start the firewall service as well. systemctl start firewall D. Let me enable it as well. systemctl enable firewall D, and now I will verify uname -a, and now it shows us that our machine is running on RHEL8. Here it is, and kernel version is 4.18. uname -r. Yes, and you can patch your machine as well by running the yum update command. Like this. Since I have the active subscription and I have already upgraded it, so if few packages are available then I can easily patch the machine as well. I don't want to waste your time, so I'm not going to do it now. I will halt this process. Yes. Now let me show you the release cat etc redhat release. I have already once executed the yum update command as well, and here it shows me the release as RHEL 8.2, that is UTPA. And let me show you the subscription also. Subscription manager, list, hyphen installed, and here it is. It will show you the valid subscription. Yes. So guys, that's it for today's session. This is the method by which you can easily upgrade your machine from RHEL7 to RHEL8. Hope you guys will find this video useful. If you like it, then do share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you like my hard work, then please give a like to this video. And if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe us and turn on the bell notification for the latest updates. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram. Take care.